हॅलो एव्हरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चॅनल. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत क्लास 8 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश चॅप्टर 4.2 पी व्ही सिंधू अँड आयकॉन ऑफ सक्सेस या पाठातील मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स आणि इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. चला तर मग सुरुवात करूयात. मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्समधील पहिला क्वेश्चन आहे, व्हॉट वॉज पी व्ही सिंधूज आउटस्टँडिंग अचिव्हमेंट इन 2016? PV Sindhu's outstanding achievement in 2016 was she won silver medal at 2016 Summer Olympics. Second margin question, around what age did Sindhu start her achievements in badminton? Sindhu started her achievements at the age of around 10. Third, what was Sindhu's first win at international level? Sindhu won her first international medal in the year 2009. Fourth question, before winning the silver medal in the Rio Olympics in 2016, what did she win? Answer, in November 2015, she bagged successive women's singles title at the Macau Open Grand Prix Gold. Before winning the silver medal in Rio Olympics 2016, she won Malaysia Masters Grand Prix Gold Women's Singles title. In August, she reached the semi-final of Women's Singles event at 2016 Summer Olympics. Fifth question, name the two great honors that Sindhu has received. The honors that Sindhu has received are Padma Shri in 2015 and in 2016 she received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. 6. What difference do her parents make when they attend her tournaments? When Sindhu's parents attend her tournaments, they tell her what she is doing. Her dad gives her a summary of how she play, and it is very helpful because as outsiders, those who look at it know more about the game. As badminton players, we obviously know a few things, but someone from the outside can pinpoint stuff that we may not have noticed easily. Seventh question, how can one come out of failure or loss according to Sindhu? Answer, if you don't play well and lose in the first round, second round, you feel bad, especially if you are one of the top players. But you need to come out of it and practice harder and identify and learn from your mistakes. She thinks to come out of it takes time, but ups and downs are always there and you need to cope with it. आता आपण पाहूया इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. फर्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी, कंप्लीट द वर्ड्स बाय फिलिंग इन द मिसिंग लेटर्स. खाली काही शब्द दिलेले आहेत आणि त्यामध्ये काही लेटर हे मिस झालेले आहेत, तर ते मिसिंग लेटर्स शोधून ॲप्रोप्रिएट मिसिंग लेटर टाकून आपल्याला वर्ड हा कंप्लीट करायचा आहे. AENCE हे होईल एन्हान्स. FETURE फीचर. LUNCH लॉन्च. NOTWORTHY या ठिकाणी ब्लँक स्पेसमध्ये ई टाकल्यास नोटवर्दी हा शब्द तयार होतो. MNTOR मेंटॉर. IDEN-IFY या ठिकाणी ब्लँक स्पेसमध्ये टी टाकल्यास आयडेंटिफाय नावाचा वर्ड तयार होतो. B, मेक ॲज मेनी 3 letter and 4 letter वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द वर्ड कंटेम्पररी. कंटेम्पररी या शब्दापासून जेवढे जास्तीत जास्त होतील तसे 3 शब्दांचे जे 3 अक्षरांचे शब्द आणि 4 अक्षरांचे शब्द आपल्याला तयार करायचे आहेत. आणि ते शब्द आहेत कॉट, कोट, cone, nor, team, pot, pour, net, ten, tier, moor, camp, port, knot, room, norm, nap, moon, prone. Second activity, make sentences of your own using the following phrases or idioms. खाली दिलेले वाक्प्रचार किंवा म्हणी वापरून तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये काही वाक्य तयार करा. A. To enhance further. Sentence. Kishore works hard to enhance further in his job. B. To launch. And the sentence. The enemy launched an attack at sunrise. C. To create history. Sentence. Together I am sure we will make history. D. Push the envelope. Sentence. Just like every other kid, I pushed the envelope. E. Week in and week out. Sentence. He's played for the same team week in and week out for 20 years. F. To come out of. Sentence. I was lucky to come out of the accident alive. Third activity. Prepare a profile, that is fact file of PV Sindhu using the following points, and the points are full name, father, native of, first coach, first achievement as junior, first international win, greatest win in 2016, date of birth, mother, started badminton at age, second coach, honors received, her great strength. So we'll write a profile or fact file. Full name Pusarla Venkata Sindhu, date of birth year 1995, father PV Ramanna, mother P Vijaya, native of Andhra Pradesh, started badminton at the age of 8, first coach Mehboob Ali, second coach Pulela Gopichand, first major achievement as junior, the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category, first international win, won a bronze medal at the 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championship held in Colombo, honors received, Arjuna Award 2013, Padma Shri 2015, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2016. Greatest win in 2016, won silver medal in the finals in the Rio Olympics. Her great strengths, her attitude and the never say die spirit. Fourth activity, answer in short in your own words. तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये थोडक्यात उत्तरे लिहा. First, what made Sindhu take up badminton at the age of 8? PV Sindhu started playing badminton from the age of 8 after she drew inspiration from Pulela Gopichand's victory in All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001. That's the reason why she chose badminton over volleyball, although her parents were professional volleyball players. Second, what were Sindhu's achievements till she was 14 years old? Sindhu's first major recognition came in the form of 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. She also won the singles title at the Ambuja Cement All India Ranking In the under 13 category, Sindhu won doubles title at the IOC All India ranking, Krishna Khaitan All India tournament, the Sub Junior Nationals, and the All India ranking in Pune. At the 51st National School Games in India, Sindhu won the gold medal in under 14 category. Third, what history was created by PV Sindhu in 2016? What was her victory in the following year? In the year 2016, she won Malaysia Masters Grand Prix Gold Women's Single title. In August, she reached the semi-finals of the women's singles event at the 2016 Summer Olympics. Sindhu created history by reaching the finals after beating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara in the women's singles semi-final in the Rio Olympics. She won silver medal in the finals. Later she defeated Carolina Marin and won 2017 India Open Super Series title. Fourth, what are the positive character traits of PV Sindhu? The positive character traits of PV Sindhu are she is sportive, consistent, determined, promising, dedicated. Fifth, what role do Sindhu's parents play during her important matches? They accompany her when she practice and play. They tell her what she is doing. Her dad gives her a summary of how she play, and it is very helpful because as outsiders, those who look at it know more about the game. As badminton players, she obviously know a few things, but someone from the outside can pinpoint stuff that she may not have noticed easily. So it is really helpful. Sixth question, what message does Sindhu convey in the last paragraph? She said, if you don't play well and lose in the first round, second round, you feel bad, especially if you are one of the top players. But you need to come out of it and practice harder and identify and learn from your mistakes. She think to come out of it, it takes time, but ups and downs are always there and you need to cope with it. Fifth activity, imagine that PV Sindhu has recently won very important tournament at international level. Frame an email on behalf of your school to congratulate her. Use the proper email format. To pvsindhu21@gmail.com. Date, subject, congratulations for winning silver medal. Dear PV Sindhu, congratulations for winning silver medal in 2018 World Championship. You have immensely contributed in raising Indian badminton standard. Your name has become synonymous with excellence in badminton. You have brought laurels for the nation on many occasions. The entire nation is proud of you. You are a perfect representative of women empowerment. You are a role model for thousands of aspiring girls. Once again, congratulations. May you win many more medals for the country. Warmest regards. Now move on to language study. First, coordination. Observe the clauses in the following sentences. खाली दिलेल्या वाक्यांमध्ये क्लॉजेस पहा, त्यांचं निरीक्षण करा. फर्स्ट, he is intelligent and he is hardworking. Second, Asif was tired but he could not rest. Third, you can go for a walk or you can exercise at home. Fourth, Seema has recovered from fever so she can attend school. Each of the above sentences have clauses which do not depend on each other. या प्रत्येक वाक्यामध्ये क्लॉजेस आहेत जे एकमेकावर अवलंबून नाही आहेत. दे आर कॉल इंडिपेंडंट और कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस. अशा क्लॉजेसला इंडिपेंडंट किंवा कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस असं म्हणतात. दे आर जॉईंड बाय कंजंक्शन्स. अशी क्लॉजेस हे कंजंक्शननी जोडले जातात, जसे अँड, बट, ऑर, सो. सच कंजंक्शन्स आर कॉल्ड कोऑर्डिनेटर्स. मग अशा कंजंक्शनना कोऑर्डिनेटर्स असं म्हटलं जाते. अदर कोऑर्डिनेटर्स आर. दुसरे कोऑर्डिनेटर्स आहेत ॲज वेल ॲज, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो, येट, स्टील, हावेवर, नेव्हरदलेस, ऑर, नॉर, एल्स, आयदर ऑर, नायदर नॉर, सो, therefore, thus, hence, for. Second activity. Pick out the coordinate clauses and encircle the coordinator. खाली दिलेल्या वाक्यामधील कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस हे पाहून कोऑर्डिनेटरला एनसर्कल म्हणजे गोल करायचं आहे. पहिलं वाक्य आहे, शी बॅग्ड सिल्वर मेडल अँड शी फाउंड अ प्लेस इन द नॅशनल टीम. यामध्ये कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस आहेत, शी बॅग्ड अ सिल्वर मेडल आणि दुसरा आहे शी फाउंड अ प्लेस इन द नॅशनल टीम. आणि यामधलं कोऑर्डिनेटर आहे अँड. दुसरं वाक्य आहे, पी.व्ही. सिंधू इज ॲन एस शटलर बट शी वॉज बॉर्न टू व्हॉलीबॉल प्लेयर्स. यामध्ये पी.व्ही. सिंधू इज ॲन एस शटलर हा एक कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे आणि दुसरा कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे शी वॉज बॉर्न टू व्हॉलीबॉल प्लेयर्स आणि कोऑर्डिनेटर आहे बट. तिसरं वाक्य आहे, यू मस्ट प्ले वेल और यू लूज द फर्स्ट राऊंड ऑफ प्ले. यामध्ये यू मस्ट प्ले वेल हा पहिला कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे आणि दुसरा कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे यू लूज द फर्स्ट राऊंड ऑफ प्ले आणि कोऑर्डिनेटर आहे ऑर. फोर्थ, माय पॅरेंट्स पॉइंट आउट माय फ्लॉज सो आय कॅन इम्प्रूव्ह माय गेम. यामध्ये पहिला कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे माय पॅरेंट्स पॉइंट आउट माय फ्लॉज आणि दुसरा कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे आय कॅन इम्प्रूव्ह माय गेम आणि कोऑर्डिनेटर आहे सो. या ठिकाणी हा वर्कशॉप पूर्ण झाला. अशाच प्रकारचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. आमच्या चॅनलचे सर्वच व्हिडिओज ताबडतोब तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी बाजूला दिलेल्या बेल आयकॉन बटनला क्लिक करा. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा. तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींमध्ये, गरजू विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये शक्य तेवढ्या प्रमाणात शेअर करा. काही अडचण असेल, काही सजेशन असेल, काही इन्फॉर्मेशन असेल किंवा रिप्लाय द्यायचा असेल तर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करा. हा व्हिडिओ अत्यंत काळजीपूर्वक आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट टिल द एंड शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनापासून आभार. थँक्यू. थँक्स अ लॉट.